Hello, children. Hello, teachers. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope it's so. Well, today I'm going to read you a poem written by Gillian Craig, and this is called Try to Be Kind. I hope you like it a lot. So now let's start. It's good to share your toys and games with friends, even if you mind. But if you don't want to share today, you should still try to be kind. It's good to say sorry if you are wrong, and you feel better, you will find. But if you don't want to say sorry yet, you should still try to be kind. It's good to forgive when you feel hurt, even if someone's been unkind. But if you don't want to listen yet, you should still try to be kind. It's hard to feel you are not doing well or you wish you could press rewind. But the most important thing is this. You should still try to be kind. Thank you a lot. Lots of kisses. Bye bye.